C5 time here, unique, especially in classics. These are always popular when we get them in. Don't typically last too long. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette, 24 Hours of Le Mans, Commemorative Edition Coupe. Last of the C5s. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles, just a little over 52,000 on this one is all. Special Le Mans blue paint with shale leather interior. We'll get to that interior in a little bit. First, let's check out the exterior of this car. Of course, the LS1, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. As you can see, that front fascia, front nose of this car, nice condition. Now, it has been driven. You're going to have a few spots where you may have just a little bit of a touch-up spot here and there, but you know what? Pretty minor on a car that's, what, 20 years old now? One of those, turn the key, get in and go, have some fun. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, unique, classiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct polished wheels. Wanted to show you some of the special badging on this too, like I said, with the 24 Hours of Le Mans Commemorative Coupe. So you do have some special badging. You have the embroidered Corvette flags and the headrest of the interior. Like I said, we'll get to that in just a bit. Let's take a look down this passenger side first. Really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. For those of you that don't care for that rub strip option going down the cove, this one does not have it. Bucket seats, leather interior, automatic with overdrive transmission, paired up with the LS1, and look at the condition of the seats and the floor mats. Again, take your time looking through the still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about. This does have the selective ride control, heads-up display, dual electronic climate control. We'll double check on that, I believe it is dual. Let's take a peek right now. Yes, it is. Passenger side temp control right here, AM, FM, CD player. Of course, all your power amenities that you get in a late model Corvette, or later model Corvette in this case. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust. Nice polished filler panel between that exhaust with, again, the Corvette flags. You're going to have the matching logo back here in the rear, but also, as you can see, it does have, of course, the removable target top. This is the, how do I want to say, transparent one, or the smoked one, kind of that bluish smoke to it. Looks great on the car or off the car. You'll be able to see it pictured both ways. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see it pictured. Of course, these have the nice setup for the holding tray kind of in the trunk of it. Let's go ahead and show you. We'll pop the hatch. It also has the privacy netting, so you can't look through that rear glass and see everything that is in the cargo area. And here you go, you can see what I'm talking about. So again, it's kind of got that smoked blue look to it, but that is one you can see through. We're in the car looking out at it. It's not solid painted like the color of the car. If you like Corvettes, whether it be C5, C4s, C8s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. We upload videos daily, and when these videos are uploaded, these cars are available to purchase, whether it be online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. As we take a peek at this driver's side of the car, it is also in nice shape, and you can see that paint, it almost looks wet. Yes, it looks as good in person as it does in the still pictures. Again, 52,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. You do have some light chipping down in the lower portions, where it does kick up small pebbles, what have you, from the front tires. But as you can see, this car does also have the rock guards on it, so that will help with that. And it has those on the front and the rear. All right, let's go ahead. Check out this interior a little closer. I'm going to pause it a second. I want to grab the keys real quick because we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood at the engine bay, and we're also going to take this car for a drive, so we show you how it goes down the road. All right, another thing I wanted to mention quick on the commemorative models. In coupes, there was only approximately about 2,200, 2,215, I believe it was, produced. And as you can see over here, power windows, power locks, memory seating, Bose stereo system. We do have power seats. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Again, that shale, colored interior, embroidery on the headrests, tilt column, driver's information center, heads-up display. We already talked about the radio and the AC, selective ride, of course. All right, let's go ahead and check the exact miles. There it is, 52,715 exact miles. It's fired up. It was a cold start, so temp gauge wouldn't be up. You can see oil pressure going up. Fuel gauge. Battery. All the gauge is working. The only light you see on is the fact I don't have my seatbelt on. So no warning indicators, check engine lights. Heads-up display, working as it should. Top of the dash. This car's in nice condition. No doubt about that. You can tell it was well maintained. And again, just lack of wear really on any of the seats. And the interior, the bolsters are not ripped or torn. Seating surfaces. A lot of bang for the buck. These C4s and C5s that we've had coming in. That's a lot of car for the money, considering what these were new and reliability and how they perform. Sounds good. Let's slip up to the front. I can pop this hood one-handed here. Let's check out this engine bay. One other thing while we're up here. How about those headlights? Check those out. Both working, both came up. Any gears grinding, let's close it back up. Take a listen. All good with the headlights. And there it is. And look at how nice and clean and tidy this engine bay is. Hood liner. Wow. You can tell it hasn't been driven in inclement weather. There it is. Again, 5.7 liter LS1. Power steering, power brakes, and air. I have not noticed any surprises on this one, folks. Once again, a lot of bang for the buck. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe in the 24 Hours of Le Mans Commemorative Edition. Clean Carfax, Le Mans Blue. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette in a rare blue color, a very nice metallic blue color, with a see-through targa top roof, which we currently have on today. This is an automatic on the center console. nice acceleration in this Corvette. Just push the pedal a little farther down, kick down and get all that power. All our gauges are working. Temperature showing about 190. Oil pressure 45. Batteries charging over 13. And the fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank. Factory stereo is working great. Comfortable leather bucket seats. Very nice style leather bucket seats. Power seats. That excellent Corvette handling and performance is for sure in this car. The odometer showing only 52,718 miles currently. Very good braking performance. Corners the way a Corvette should. It doesn't lean hardly at all. Very good performance in the cornering. Nice aggressive exhaust note. Just a very great Corvette in an awesome color that you don't see very often. From 2004, check out this Chevrolet Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.